Hi, this is the Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So open first the Play Store and in the search pool enter the Icon Changer. So then just tap the install button to get this application and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and you'll see here all of the available applications. For example, let's use the contacts packet icon. You could rename it. You could use icon from the library with different folders with the icons, or also you could use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture in camera app. So let's use one from the contacts icon. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should skip the videos, so tap on the X icon on the right upper corner, click to add automatically. Shortcut contacts created successfully, so you could go to the desktop or change the next icon by the same way. So let's check the new contacts icon. We could see here the difference where the contacts one. Okay, here the regular one and this is the new one. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.